my name is Emily Colvin and I'm the Student Innovation Coordinator here at UWS. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about our Kickstart programme and our brand new series of Kickstart workshops that you can get involved in. This year we'll be running 3 online interactive workshops alongside the Enterprise team at the University of the West of Scotland, which will focus on idea generation, creativity and innovation and business modelling. Our workshops are open to all students at the university, recent graduates and staff members, and will provide you with new knowledge and skill sets around innovation and entrepreneurship. Our first workshop will focus on idea generation, helping you to generate new ideas and think outside the box. Our second workshop focuses on creativity and innovation. This workshop will look at the relationship between creativity, innovation and entrepreneurship. Our third workshop will focus on business modelling, where you can learn the various stages of business modelling and business planning. So what are you waiting for? Create new opportunities, expand your ideas, develop your skills and build up your confidence here at UWS Kickstart.